Hey guys! Welcome back! So actually, na-film ko na to before. Kaso lang, may habit kasi ako mag-reformat ng memory card before I start filming again. Tapos, ni-reformat ko nung isang time, tapos na-erase lahat ng files. So ngayon, I'm refilming this video, and it is about Careline's new skincare line. Tama ba yun? Basta, yung Careline, meron na silang skincare products. So, I'm gonna show you all of the products they sent to me. Tapos, we're gonna do a review. Papakita ko sa inyo. I've tried this for around 2 weeks, 3 weeks na. Kasi ang dami ko din mga iba pang skincare na tinry. But I have my solid thoughts on them already. And now, we're gonna discuss them. Papakita ko sa inyo yung thoughts ko. And if these are worth it to purchase. Kaya if you are interested to know more about these products, let's go to the video. Okay, so meron silang set, which is yung Skin Hero set. Itong Skin Hero set is made up of 4 products. Complete products na for your skincare. Number 1 is the Captain Cleanser. Number 2 is Fighting Toner. Number 3 is the Super Serum. And number 4 is Wonder Moisturizer. Take note, itong whole set na to retails for only 395 pesos. So, sobrang mura na. You get your whole skincare na for this one set. 395 pesos lang. Pero syempre, hindi naman porket mura siya, worth it na siya bilhin. Kasi kung hindi naman maganda yung products, sayang pa rin yung pera nyo. So we're gonna try each product one by one. Papakita ko sa inyo how I applied it, yung mga ganyan. Tapos, I'll also discuss kung kamusta siya, what do I like, what don't I like about these products. I'm gonna be super honest with you kasi passionate tayo about our skincare. So number 1, yung first step is of course, cleanser. We have here yung Captain Cleanser. And for this one thing na sobrang gustong-gusto ko sa kanya is it does not strip my face. Hindi ko na-feel na super naghihingalo or nag-dry down yung face ko after ko mag-wash ng face. So, that's a positive. Another positive is it can clean my face very well. Kasi syempre, ano namang use ng cleanser kung hindi siya makakalinis? So, nakakalinis siya. It doesn't dry my face down. So, this is a go for me. I like this product so much. Take note lang, meron siyang alcohol. Hindi naman siya sobrang taas dun sa ingredient list. So, it's fine. Ako, for me, it's fine. I'll still use it kahit na may alcohol siya. Just letting you know din, baka kasi know yun agad kung may alcohol. So, off to our next product. Next step is toner. So, meron silang Fighting Toner, 100% natural astringent toner. So, yun nabasa ko to, oh my gosh, sabi ko, hala, baka magka-effect sa face ko. Kasi astringent, pag astringent, ano pumapasok sa isip nyo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say it! Eskinol. Diba? Parang eskinol talaga. Eskinol, medyo harsh siya na kind of astringent. As in, strip down talaga yung face nyo. This one, nakita ko yung ingredients niya. It's made out of AHA, BHA, PHA, and niacinamide. So, nung nakita ko to, medyo na-ease naman ako. Kasi, yung isa kong toner or exfoliator, there's AHA and BHA. Kasi yung AHA, BHA, PHA, these are natural exfoliators na hindi masyadong harsh sa face. Ang ginagawa nito, nag-unclog siya ng pores para ma-diminish yung blackheads, yung mga whiteheads. Medyo tinatanggal niya yung dead skin cells. So, yun yung purpose nitong mga to. One thing na sobrang nagustuhan ko dito is it's alcohol-free, number 1. Yan yung number 1 na tinitignan ko sa toner. And number 2, hindi ko na-feel yung stinging sa face ko pag ginagamit ko to. As in, kasi kahit nga yung exfoliator ko na isa, it's from CosRX, AHA, BHA something yung pangalan niya. Lagay ko dito. Medyo may stinging pa yung face ko but when I use this, wala akong stinging na naramdaman at all. So, I know na hindi siya harsh sa face ko. So, I like this toner. If may favorite ako dito sa 4, ito yun. Ito yung favorite ko talaga. Kasi, I was pleasantly surprised. Next naman, step number 3 is Super Serum. Super Serum! Ito, ang perfect ng ingredient list niya. Hindi ko in-expect. I love the ingredient list so much. Tapos yung texture niya is super, super lightweight. Well, serum kasi siya. Pero hindi siya greasy. Wala siyang greasy feel. You feel na sobrang nahahydrate yung face mo. And then, the ingredients on this is the same. AHA, BHA, niacinamide, and PHA. So, ang goal nito is to give you that brightened look, especially pag lagi mo siya ginagamit. Ma-compare mo siya sa mga, alam niyo yung mga uso na vitamin C serums, yung mga ganyan, mas ganun yung ginagawa nito. I like this also. Ito yung second na favorite ko dito. I think medyo sila talaga ng toner yung gustong gusto ko. So, this is something I also recommend to you guys. I didn't have any problems with it. No greasy feel, no anything. No reactions, no anything. And step number 4 is Wonder Moisturizer. This one naman, start ba ako sa negative or sa positive? Ay, dediretsuhin ko na kayo. Ito, meron siyang alcohol. So, yun yung isang parang medyo, ay, naganon ako. Pero, I feel like, hindi pa rin naman niya sinistrip down yung face ko. Wala pa rin akong nararamdaman na anything. But if you're sensitive to that, kung tumitingin talaga kayo sa mga ingredient list and ayaw nyo ng alcohol at all, this is not for you. Pero, pagdating sa texture niya, this is more of a creamy, mas moisturizer texture na talaga. It's not gel type. Cream talaga siya. Pero, kahit na thicker yung consistency niya, kahit na ganun, I feel like hindi siya greasy, hindi ko na-feel na parang, kadire, or nagpapawis ako pagka lagay ko na to. It's very comfortable pa rin yung feel. It moisturizes my skin. And the same with the other products. Yung ingredients nito is AHA, BHA, PHA, niacinamide. So, I think this would suit mga oily skin peeps out there. Pati na rin mga dry skin. Kasi ako dry skin, but it still moisturize my face very, very well. Okay, so before tayo mag-proceed sa dalawa pang products that I have, gusto ko lang sabihin yung thoughts ko dito sa set na to. Who is it for? Kung ako ba, gagamitin ko ba siya? Kanino siya hindi pwede or whatever. Basically, I think this would fit a lot of people, especially kung naka-budget kayo. And I think perfect na perfect to sa mga teens, sa mga nagsa-start pa lang mag-skincare kasi they're not harsh. 'Di ba? Hindi mo pwede gulatin yung face mo eh. Kaya if you're just starting sa skincare, gusto nyo pa lang mag-dive into caring for your skin, ito yung product for you. It's not expensive. You can try it out kasi nga, gaya nung nakita nyo kanina, hindi ganun kadami yung laman niya. Parang mas sampler set siya. You can think of it as a negative and a positive, but dito sa channel natin, titignan natin siya in a positive way. I think yung purpose ito is really to try what suits you and what doesn't suit you pagdating sa mga ingredients, pagdating sa mga types of moisturizers, of serums, of toners. So yeah, I think this would fit a lot of people, especially yung mga oily, acne-prone. I think pinaka-beneficial tong skincare line na to, pati yung mga ingredients niya, to people na may acne talaga and oily. But if you're dry skin and you wanna try or you wanna dive into skincare also, I think workable pa rin naman to sa inyo. Like for me, it was workable. I tried it for around 3 weeks and wala naman naging problem sa skin ko. It still looked good. It's still hydrated. Everything's okay. Now, dive into another product na naman tayo from Careline Skin also. Ngayon natapos na tayo with the set. Meron tayo dito yung Micellar Tonic. This is like micellar water, yung sikat na sikat dati. So, ano ba yung purpose nito? Ito yung panglinis ng makeup, pangtanggal ng makeup, and yung main ingredients or yung base ingredients, yung selling point nitong product na to, is salicylic acid and centella asiatica. So, these ingredients, yung purpose nito is to refine pores, fight off acne, and to keep the complexion clear. So, more on, again, targeted towards, napuwing ako kaya ako gumanon kanina. Anyways, more on targeted siya sa mga medyo acne-prone skin. But I think this would still benefit kahit mga hindi acne-prone. Kasi nga, yung purpose niya is ma-clean off talaga yung excess dirt sa face natin. So, pag nag-makeup kayo, yung mga ganyan, just take note, meron tong fragrance. Wala siyang alcohol, but may fragrance. So, if you're sensitive to that, I'm just letting you know. Ako, hindi ako masyadong sensitive. What works, works. Pag hindi siya nag-work, edi, hindi ko siya i-recommend sa inyo. Wala akong masyadong i-review pagdating dito kasi it's micellar water. So, yung purpose niya is yung gaya nga nung sinabi ko kanina, malinis yung face natin. And it works for me. It works very well. Kaya I would recommend it to you guys. Kasi sa price point niya, which is, ting! Nakalimutan ko kung magkano. I think around 195. Check ko lang . Mali! It's 220 pesos. Pero na-flash ko naman na kanina. Pwede na, you're getting 250 ml, which is a lot. Magagamit nyo na yan. Gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo na yung one of my purpose kung saan ko ginagamit yung mga micellar water, whatever, ganyan, is to clean off brushes ng mabilisan. Kung kunyari alam ko magme-makeup ako maya-maya, yun, pinanglilinis ko lang yan. Lalo na pag tinamad ako maglinis the past few days or past month, minsan pa nga umaabot ng ganun, at least malilinis ko yung brushes ko kahit papano. And hindi siya puro dirt, puro oils, yung mga ganyan. So yeah, this one, I like it also. I recommend it to you guys. It works very well. If you're looking for something like this, go ahead. And last product na meron tayo is their primer mask. So ito, binili ko na to ulit. I actually repurchased them. So that says a lot about these products. It's 90 pesos. Mas mahal siya, I think, than mga ibang masks out there. But what I like about this is very true sila sa claim nila. This one, yung lemon, is more on brightening and I feel like it does its job well. As in, nababrighten naman niya yung skin ko. Well, it happens din naman with other masks. Pero, yeah, I like this kasi ang ganda niya under makeup. It's good talaga under makeup. And yun naman ata yung purpose niya. It's a primer mask. So, I think, yeah, yun yung purpose niya. And then this other one naman is watermelon. Ito naman is more on moisturizing. So, pag may mga dry patches ako, pag feeling ko I need the extra boost of moisture, ito yung ginamit ko. And it does its job also very well. Kung ako yung papapiliin, mas ito yung gusto ko. But I still repurchase both just in case meron akong gusto for that day. Gusto ko bang mas bright yung face ko? Gusto ko ba umiilaw ako pag lumalabas ako? Ganon. Parang si Marian Rivera, nung nakita ko siya live, grabe, umiilaw talaga siya. Ito yun. Pero if I need a little help, if di ako nakainom ng masyadong maraming tubig kahapon at kailangan ko ng extra boost sa mukha ko dahil sobrang dry niya, this is it. So yeah, yun na. I like these. I like the whole line. In fairness to Careline, they exceeded yung expectation ko and I think kayo din. I think nung nakita niyo to, parang, ay, yung Careline, magsi-skincare din, parang ganyan. But no, I think they did well naman with their research. And by the way, these are made in Korea! Yes, sabi ko na eh. Actually, hindi ko nabasa ng buo lahat. Kasi I wanted to review na wala akong biases talaga. And yeah, it's made in Korea kasi binase ko lang dun sa mga products, sa mga ingredients na nabasa ko. And I think it was made in Korea. And I'm right. It's made in Korea. I think I explained myself very well na how I like or don't like some of these items or na-explain ko naman na ata sa inyo kung ano yung magiging fit sa inyo depending kung ano yung kailangan nyo din. So, I hope you found value in my content. I hope naging helpful naman tong video na to if you were thinking of buying or not buying this whole set or skincare products from Careline. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps me a lot. Boost natin yung video so I get more views, more followers, subscribers. Share lang natin tong little community we're making. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on my next video. Follow nyo na rin ako sa Instagram and Facebook if you want so you're always updated. Bye! Bye!